Assembling your macaroon box is simple and straightforward. Begin by folding along all the perforated edges of the main box. Once completed, fold in the corner pieces and tuck the flaps down, securing into place. The base will fit together neatly. Next, take the insert that holds the macaroons in place. Fold along the perforated lines and carefully poke through each hole. These will securely hold your macaroons. Once ready, gently slide the insert into the base of the box. Finally, take the sleeve and carefully fold it open. Take your time with this step to ensure a clean fit. Now, slide the completed box right inside the sleeve, and you're ready to present your macaroons in style.